Looking for reliable protection for your home or business? Best Security Cameras Outdoor offer high-definition video, night vision, and motion detection to keep your property safe. Stay connected and monitor every corner effortlessly, anytime, anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Blink Outdoor Security Camera. The Blink Outdoor Security Camera is a highly affordable and user-friendly wireless security solution designed to provide reliable protection for homes and small businesses. One of its standout features is its impressive 2-year battery life, achieved using the included AA Energizer lithium batteries and a Blink Sync module core, making it ideal for long-term, maintenance-free use. Setting up the camera is straightforward and can be completed in minutes, allowing users to quickly establish a reliable monitoring system without complicated wiring or technical expertise. With 1080p HD live view through the Blink app, users can see every detail clearly, day or night, while infrared night vision ensures visibility even in complete darkness. The camera also offers crisp two-way audio, enabling homeowners to communicate directly with visitors or deter unwanted intruders. Blink's enhanced motion detection system alerts users faster when movement is detected, and the dual zone detection feature allows for more precise monitoring of high-priority areas. Additionally, the person detection feature, available through an optional Blink subscription plan, uses embedded computer vision to reduce false alerts, notifying users specifically when a human presence is detected. While local storage is not included with the Sync module core, footage can be securely stored in the cloud through a free 30-day trial of the subscription plan. For those who prefer local backup, additional options such as the Sync Module XR with micro SD card or Sync Module 2 with USB flash drive are available, though sold separately. Number 2. ANNKE Outdoor Security Camera. The ANNKE Outdoor Security Camera System is a powerful and versatile solution for homeowners seeking professional-grade surveillance without the complexity of multiple setups. Featuring AI Motion Detection 2.0, the camera can distinguish humans and vehicles with remarkable accuracy, reducing false alarms caused by pets or environmental movement. Users can also define flexible detection areas and perform smart searches in recorded footage, allowing critical events to be located quickly and efficiently. ANNKE system is compatible with TVI, AHD, CVI, CVBS, and IP cameras, giving users the ability to integrate existing equipment or expand their security network over time. The included 8-channel 3K Lite DVR supports 1080p at 30 FPS and 3K 5MP at 20 FPS cameras, ensuring crisp video capture under a variety of conditions. With a pre-installed 1 TB HDD, users benefit from continuous 24/7 recording, while the upgraded H.265 Plus compression maximizes storage efficiency and minimizes bandwidth use. For nighttime monitoring, ANNKE combines IR and full-color night vision, providing clear visuals up to 100 feet in black and white mode. Number 3. SOLIOM Outdoor Security Camera. The SOLIOM Outdoor Security Camera offers a premium security solution designed to provide high-resolution monitoring with convenience and flexibility. Boasting 5MP 3K ultra-high-definition video, it captures every detail vividly, making it easy to identify faces, objects, and activities even at a distance. Its magnifier zoom feature allows users to tap on their live view and enlarge details from approximately 30 feet away, enhancing situational awareness. SOLIOM's wireless camera system operates without monthly fees, storing encrypted recordings directly in the home base with 32 GB local storage capable of storing up to 2 months of loop recordings. Even in cases where the camera is damaged or lost, the home base keeps video data secure. The camera also features 360-degree auto motion tracking and cross-camera tracking, allowing it to pan, tilt, and rotate to follow detected motion across multiple cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage of key areas. For energy efficiency, SOLIOM includes a detachable solar panel that can be positioned in any sunny location using a 10-foot cable, keeping the camera charged with minimal sunlight even on cloudy days. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the wireless setup reduces clutter and dependence on traditional power sources. SOLIOM's system supports long-range, stable Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring smooth video streaming and reliable performance. Number 4. AOSU Outdoor Security Camera. The AOSU Outdoor Security Camera is a versatile and durable security solution designed for effortless installation and year-round monitoring. With its truly wireless design and integrated solar panel, the camera can be mounted anywhere that receives sunlight, including walls, fences, and corners, without the need for complicated wiring or professional assistance. Setup is as simple as drilling 4 holes and securing the camera, allowing even novices to quickly establish a reliable security network. AOSU includes a powerful home base with 32 gigabytes encrypted storage, offering up to 60 days of secure local video playback without subscription fees. The dual-band Wi-Fi capability ensures stable, lag-free connectivity, maximizing the camera's performance even in larger homes or properties with challenging layouts. AOSU cameras provide superior clarity with FHD 2K color night vision, capturing critical details such as faces, license plates, and potential threats up to 30 feet away, even in complete darkness. The 130-degree fixed-angle bullet cameras are strategically designed to monitor high-priority areas such as driveways, gates, and garages with precision. Solar power ensures consistent energy supply, with a built-in battery providing backup for uninterrupted operation. Its high-efficiency solar panel. Number 5. GALAYOU Outdoor Security Camera. The GALAYOU Outdoor Security Camera is a wireless and highly flexible solution designed to provide dependable outdoor surveillance without the constraints of wired power sources. Equipped with built-in lithium batteries and optional solar panels, the camera can be installed virtually anywhere around a property, eliminating the need for constant power outlets. Its setup process is straightforward, guided through the GALAYOU app, which provides step-by-step instructions for both installation and operation. Users benefit from crystal-clear 2K FHD resolution and advanced color night vision, ensuring detailed, vibrant video captures both day and night. The camera features 4 LED lights and 4 infrared lights, producing high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. GALAYOU also offers intelligent PIR human detection, reducing false alarms caused by animals or environmental movement, and allows two-way audio so users can communicate directly with visitors or potential intruders. Storage options include a built-in SD card slot supporting up to 128 gigabytes or cloud storage, with a 30-day trial included for new users. While continuous 24/7 recording is not supported on the battery-powered model, the camera reliably captures critical moments and notifications, ensuring peace of mind. Its combination of wireless flexibility, high-resolution imaging, intelligent motion detection, and easy-to-use mobile app makes the GALAYOU Outdoor Security Camera an excellent choice for homeowners seeking effective and adaptable outdoor security. The system balances convenience, advanced functionality, and reliable performance, offering comprehensive protection without complicated setup or recurring fees. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.